Hello everyone, today is a special news report. The Apple robots have destroyed Cupertino, California, and is on to destroy the world. Please stay indoors, and protect yourself with bulletproof armor, or stay inside a shelter. If you are in North America or South America, stay in a shelter. 100,000 Apple robots are on their way to track down iPhone users and get killed. Make sure to turn off all Apple devices in order not to get killed. We do not know why these Apple robots activated the kill code. Right now let's tune in Apple Park and witness some information about this attack.
Hello Tom, I am at Apple Park. The Apple Park is on fire right now. The Apple employee told me that Tim Cook threw away a phone and he heard Siri say activate kill code because Tim Cook threw a phone. No,